niggas, I was built for this. Prices on my own, can't nobody say I owe them shit. Robbing shit, kidnapping, became a bad habit. Bubblegum, chew 'em up. This shit get real slimy, ambulance, pick 'em up. He need a closed casket, bitch, I'm from out west where shit get crazy, my nigga trigger happy. Any, many, mo, whoever we pick, it's your time to go. Birds of the feather, they flock together, I'm out here on my own. Thinking they ahead of me, I think they got they fucking town wrong. Mama was a junkie, daddy was gone, you live like Home Alone. And every time I rap, this shit is crack, I'm feeding on y'all dogs. The last nigga played Houdini Pooh, now his body gone, I really been on go. I grew up watching crimes and homicides, put me to the test, I make a mess, I'm doing good this time. Freak bitch, the best, just want the net, no, I can't waste no time, that money coming handy. So I know them slips by 9 o'clock, these niggas washed up, can't keep them dry, no Rick, no need, no hand. Pillow talking niggas, can't sleep at night, them thoughts just keep around. True color show, thank you Lord, they be the perfect time, and smiles in my face, knowing damn well you had me badly. Headed to the top, down for the bottom, I won't be here for long. Got up on my knees, made prayers, always been there alone. Had bad days, I ain't ashamed, ain't rushing for no fame, but when my time come, I ain't gon' change, still gon' remain the same. Let me go alone, show you niggas I was built for this. Prices on my own, can't nobody say I owe them shit. Robbing shit, kidnapping, became a bad habit. Bubblegum, chew 'em up. This shit get real slimy, ambulance, pick 'em up. He need a